Hi everyone, Miss Martin here, and today we are going to do another round of bumper coasters. This second version, we have added in some hills, and we've changed the goal a little bit. So let's watch the activity introduction so you see what it's supposed to look like.
In today's activity, you're going to create the next version of the bumper coaster with hills. The first version that you built, the one from the last activity, was just one big downhill. Now, your ride will have ups and downs, just like a real roller coaster. Thankfully, this time there are no alligators. Instead, your goal will be a little different. You and your team will have 2 marbles again, but this time, both marbles will have riders. And your goal is to figure out how to get both marbles into the cup at the end of the track. I'll show you how to get started, step by step.
Alright, so to show you, here's what the updated track looks like. I've had to adjust it a little bit because instead of marbles, I am using yellow balls. So you can see that's our first medium-sized hill. There's our lower hill. And the first test we're going to do, I just want to show you what it looks like when a single ball rolls down. Okay, and our goal is to get both balls to that ending point. So, first test we're going to try is having one ball at the very first valley and releasing the ball from the high hill. So I'll place the ball at this very first valley. And then let's see if we can get both balls to the end. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, so I think if this side was a little higher, both balls would be ending up right around here. So I'm going to mark on my worksheet where both balls ended up and 2 little stars. And one veered off the track, but for the most part, they stayed right where they're supposed to be. The second setup is one ball on the medium hill, which is this one right here. I'm going to place him right there. And then let's see where both balls end up and if this has the most potential to reach the end. Now let's try that one again because it actually jumped over top of it. Alright, one more. There we go. That was a pretty good sample. So one ball actually made it to the top of the second hill, and then the first ball made it to the bottom of the second valley. So one ball ended up, one ball ended up here, and one ball ended up here. Getting closer. Okay, next one we're going to try starting with the ball at the bottom of the second valley. So we'll leave that guy here. Here goes nothing. Oh, that one seemed to go pretty slow. Let's try that again. Oh, if I could keep all my balls on the track, that'd be great. Try it one more time. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it has a lot of potential. Both of them end up in the second valley. Okay, last but not least, we're going to put high ball here at the regular release point and low ball at the top of the smallest hill. And let's see if this has the most potential to get both balls to the end. Fingers crossed. We'll do this one a couple more times till we get a good result. Oh, we got one. Oh, this guy rolled back. I wonder if we can just adjust the track a little bit. So I feel like this one gives us the most opportunity for both balls to go in. Let's try one more time. The track looks pretty straight. There we go. And just to prove that it's not a mistake, let's try it one more time. Oh, we had a snafu on that. Go. All right, so I'm gonna call it like that second or third trial where we actually did get both balls into the end. Okay, so looking here, what pattern do you notice about the experiment where both marbles make it through to the end? Okay, I want you to think of how they're releasing their energy, and this is the only one where both marbles actually did make it through. And how could you explain this pattern in terms of energy? All right. Thank you so much, guys. Just to let you know, tomorrow I will not be having live chats because I have meetings in the morning. However, I will be available both Thursday and Friday for Google Meets. Okay, thank you guys for joining me.